Hello everybody, Jeffy's back at it again, and I'm going to be doing something different this time. And I will be telling you how to do Flip the Coin. This module consists of a type of coin and a digit on the side. The diffuser's going to have to tell what kind of coin it is and what is the digit. So for example, here are the 3 coins that can possibly pop up. 50 cents, a euro, and a 2 euro. Now, there will also be a digit on the side. So let's say the digit is like 4. And we're also going to need the serial number. I'll just make one up as we go. Serial is Juliet, Quebec. Juliet, Quebec 8. 7 Kilo 9. Alright, so basically what we have here is... Oh wait, I forgot this thing actually adds some more edge work, so let's just get down some random stuff. 5 and 3. An unlit S&D. An unlit car. A lit Foxtrot. A lit FR Kilo, and a lit Bob. And we are going to say alright, so we have our edge work. We have 5 batteries and 3 holders, an unlit S&D, an unlit car, a lit FR Kilo, and a lit Bob. And our ports are only a PS2 and an RJ. Serial number is Juliet, Quebec 8, 7 Kilo 9. So what do we do with all this? So first of all, we try to find out what coin it is. So let's just say it's a 1 euro. We follow this condition that applies. The digit is higher than the amount of batteries. So we are going to say that the digit, and this is always going to happen, the digit is going to be a 4. So, if the digit is higher than the amount of batteries, well, no, that's not going to happen. Or else it's always going to be tails. So we would relate back to our diffuser. Okay, you want tails. They're going to flip the coin, and they're going to submit it, and they're going to stop the clock until the next time they come around. Now, let's try another one. Let's try a 2 euro. And the digit is going to stay the same. If the digit is higher than the amount of lit indicators minus unlits, well, yeah, because there are 2 unlit and 2 lit. So, we would say heads. And let's do one more, shall we? We have 50 cents. The digit is higher than the last digit of the serial number. Well, it's a 4. 4 is lower than a 9. So we'll say tails. It's a really easy module to learn up on. And I think that anyone can easily grab onto this, and hopefully I taught you a little bit of a lesson or two. If you want more of these mods, be sure you subscribe to my channel for more daily content. And I hopefully will see you next time.